In this video, we are going to see that if you want to connect your Discord application to Bungie.net application directly using an API so that you can get all the data directly into your WhatsApp application, here is how you can easily do it. First of all, make sure that if you're on the home tab, just click on the bottom right hand corner where it says you, and here from the profile section on the top right corner, you will see this little gear icon which says user settings. Just go ahead and click on that, and under the account settings section, if we scroll down a little bit, we will find this connections area. Just click on that, and here it will show you all the popular applications. Let me just disconnect it to the current one. It will show you this kind of screen. Just click on +18 option and it will show you all the popular applications that you can connect it to. And here is Bungie.net. Just click on that. This will take you to their official website where we just need to log in using the PlayStation or different accounts. Whatever you can use, it will directly connect it to your Discord. And that's how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.